This is the Recycling Amateur, and for this Easter special video, we are going to share some tips to recycle some products from Nutella. According to Nutella UK, if you were to use the amount of Nutella consumed on 1 year as clay, you could build 22,000 Big Ben, and you could cover the Great Wall of China 8 times with the number of jars of Nutella sold in a year. So I am sure the following tips will be quite useful. Let's start with the Nutella jar. To sort it out, you need to separate the lid from the jar. Remove the paper cover and put it with your non-recyclable waste, as it is soiled with oil. The lid is made of plastic number 5, polypropylene, which can be recycled in most areas, so put it with your recyclable plastic waste. Once the jar is empty, give it a quick clean with hot water in order to avoid contaminating your already well-sorted waste, and put the glass jar with your recyclable glass waste. Let's move to Nutella Be Ready packaging. I couldn't find any information about those, and as I said in previous videos, when in doubt, put it with your non-recyclable waste. And that's exactly what we should do with Nutella Be Ready packaging. As for Nutella biscuits, which I've brought from a trip to Italy, the packaging is really terrible. The only good thing about it is that it keeps the biscuits fresh for longer as you can close it, but there are no indication about the material used. As I keep saying, don't be confused by the green dot, as this is only an indication that the company made a contribution towards recycling, not that this specific packaging can be recycled. An interesting point is this logo, that apparently should only apply to France. Plastic to be discarded. Clearly, if it isn't recyclable in France, it is most likely not being recycled anywhere else. So I think Nutella should be straightforward with this information. Overall, I am quite disappointed by this brand, because they are extremely popular and have a huge impact onto our environment. Not only because they are still using palm oil, but also because they are introducing new products in non-sustainable packaging. So if you love Nutella and can't live without it, please only buy the glass jars and not their other products. And if you know a tasty and more sustainable alternative to Nutella, please share it in the comments section below. If you'd like to see more tips about waste sorting, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified when we publish our future videos. That's it for us today. I hope you've learned something and that together we will contribute to a better future. Until next time.